So let's talk about gold and silver. I'm covering it for the first time on my channel. I've never covered gold and silver, but I wanted to start covering it after a lot of discussions among my community. The gold and silver will be covered at the same time, and I'm covering gold and silver after I think at least 15 years, 10 or 15 years that I'm touching it. Once I moved into stocks, I stayed there. I left Forex and oil and gold and everything. And then when I totally shifted into crypto, I never came back and never touched it. But I think it's pretty much time to to dip my hands into this overall case of gold as well. Well, right now gold is sitting at 3,222. As you can see, it's written everywhere. You can pretty much see it. The situation of gold is interesting because at the area of 3,200, it has a neckline for a double top structure. So this is on 4 hours. You have, let me zoom in. It's going to destroy it a little bit, but we will still zoom in. Just a second. At 3,200, you have one top. You have a second top in the making. It's sitting at 3,221, just $21 is missing. If it dips below the area of 3,200 for more than 8 hours, which means it closes 2 4-hour candles below the area of 3,200 with the body, then it is going to go and deliver on this double top structure, which is an extremely basic thing to begin with. We would assume that, okay, it is dropping down. Now from 3,200, the first drop will be towards the area of 2950. As it completes, you can see that right now it is in form of completion. In this chart, you don't see it. It will go down and hit the area of 2950 if it delivers on it. If it doesn't break below the area of 3,200, then you can feel safe that, okay, it is not going to go down. Rather, it will bounce from 3,200 and start going up. And if it is going to start going up, of course, our first target will be 3,400, which is its sweetheart area. It has gone and hit that area multiple times. And if you're looking for an exact number, I can give you that too. Just a second. It will be 35. But fuck that part, let's call it 3,400. It can end up creating a double bottom. So double top of today can be a double bottom of tomorrow. That is gold for you. Now let's talk about silver. Let me go and search for silver. Silver shouldn't take us time because we already talked about gold. It's going to be pretty much the same case scenario. So silver is sitting at 32 point, just a second, pretty ugly, messed up chart. I mean, it's good for trading, but it's messed up a bit. It just went to 31.8. Right now it was $32, but now it's 31.8. This is where silver is sitting, and silver has made an attempt right now in the breaking of it, but I'll tell you what to expect. So silver has a neckline at area of 31, again on 4 hours. It is an ugly, a very ugly double top structure. It might become cleaner on different time frame. But anyway, this is the support area. If it loses the area of 31 where it is sitting right now, you should assume that, okay, silver is starting a downward journey. And of course, our first drop will be towards the area of 29. But if it doesn't break below 31, again, like gold for more than 8 hours doesn't close 2 4-hour candles below it, then you should assume, okay, silver is going to go back up. And of course, it is going to go and hit the area of $34.5. Let's call it $35. And that's pretty much it with silver, gold and silver. And let's hope that you guys like these videos on gold and silver, then I can continue. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.